ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Shan ke Tnat Pulit jang jela kan Khot Advertisement na bentalai hajar sispat Tylli ki kam hapo kan ke Tnat hadim lade penbit penbiang ki junan kamborok kum ki kendon. Ya kini le pentip do Inspector General of Police uba Francis G. Ïaïong hakajnya keran bekila patai kubor hak santrik ulber araja pusau ha police headquarter. Katkum kejingat hu jong new he Pulit kini kilai hajar sispat Tylli ki kam kiban salat hak Tnat Pulit ya ki ba on Khot Advertisement hak shiterik ubanai Ïaïong bentau snam araja pusau ki kenthop ki nyop ho Tylli ki post on arm branch sub inspector shiajar arspa san busan Tylli ki post on arm branch constable but shiajar ndruspa lai punyo Tylli ki post arm branch constable.
Around 3,100 posts, police posts. The breakup is for sub-inspectors, UB sub-inspectors 76. For UB constable, it is 1,255 posts, which includes UB constables, firemen, fireman mechanics, MPRO, and signal operators of the battalion. And there are also another group, which is the AB constable group. This is around vacancies, we have around 1,637. This will include AB constables, battalion constables, MPRO, general duty constables, constable handyman, and driver constables. So the total posts is in around 3,100 posts. This time we are with the guidance of the government, and the government wants to reach out to the people in a better way. So we will be having our recruitment in 5 different centers of the state. One is the 1st Battalion, Ïaïong, which will cater to this part of the region. Then we have another one in 2nd MLP in Goregaon, which will cater to the western Garo Hills. And then we have another center, the 3rd Battalion, which is Sapsen, which will cater to the people of Chandia Hills. And we have another center in the 4th Battalion in Sopian, which will cater to the people of the West Khasi Hills. And finally, we have another center at the 5th Battalion in William Nagar, which will cater to both East and South Hills. As in the near future, we've incorporated highly transparent measures, and we've engaged. This will be purely on electronic, on technical evaluation. So it will be very difficult to manipulate. It will be almost impossible to manipulate. The advertisement should come out within 1 or 2 days, and the online application will start on the 1st of April.
We have hired a private firm where all the tests will be conducted and the CCTV will be installed in the grounds and the chips will be installed to the candidates, and immediately timing will be shown in the computers, and at the end of the day, every candidate appeared in the recruitment will be given mark sheet, and they will know immediately how much is their score, and depending on that, they can calculate that whether I will qualify or not. So this is the one mechanism, and the private firm will install all the electronic gadgets in the recruitment ground. Absolutely there will be transparency, and absolutely there is no scope of any manipulation in this procedure. So this we call it TRP, Transparent Recruitment Procedure. So this TRP, and if you are willing, we can invite you during the recruitment also, and you can see with your own eyes how the recruitment is going on, where everything is transparent. So we will ensure 100% transparency, and the candidates will be selected only and only on the basis of the merit. And this, the applications app will be open from the 1st April, their application receipt will start. And once all the candidates will apply, after that, their centers and admit card and will be issued subsequently. So maybe after election, the recruitment process will be in full swing, and you are welcome to visit the recruitment centers and see how the procedure is going on. So this is regarding the recruitment, and this will be the largest recruitment in the history of the Meghalaya Police. Nowhere earlier 3,100 people were taken at one go in recruitment. So Meghalaya Police will be further strengthened by more than 3,000 people.